For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
B-Town celebs have united again for a good cause. Yes, Sonam Kapoor, Kalki Kekla, Dia Mirza, Sayani Gupta and many others have taken a step against trolling, harassment and other threats on social media platforms. Director Hansal Mehta, Manvi Gagru, Ahna Kamra, Sandhya Mridul and Sumit Vyas also joined the cause. Many female celebrities have been getting foul messages on social media platforms besides vulgar comments, offensive memes and abusive language. Now many have taken a step and have signed a petition titled Stop Targeted Abuse and Harassment of Women on Social Media for the cause. Women in Cinema Collective have taken part in the hashtag India Against Abuse campaign to demand a safe and equal space for women on social media platforms. The organization, associated with an NGO, has filed a petition to stop targeted abuse on women online. In a statement issued by WCC, the organization has requested people to sign the petition and share it for a social change. The petition speaks about how women are constantly targeted on social media platforms for voicing their opinions strongly. Today, content creators, stand-up comedians, storytellers and actors, as well as all women who voice their opinions strongly, are constantly targeted with vulgar memes, abusive sexual comments, bullying, name-calling and graphic images. Death and rape threats are the new normal for most women on social media. Silence and inaction towards curtailing these have only further fed into the rape culture, where threats of abuse have become matters of everyday occurrences. Speaking about the petition, Sonam Kapoor and other celebs took to their Twitter handle and wrote about the issue. Enough is enough. It's time we put an end to targeted abuse and harassment women face online every day. Join me and stand for India against abuse. Sign the petition. 8 out of 10 women who go online have faced some sort of online abuse and violence, according to Socially Blog and Amy from India. This must end. Join India against abuse to make India safe for women and girls online. Please sign and share the petition. It's high time we come together and get this done. Hashtag India Against Abuse.
While we were walking on the streets or in our
Bollywood celebrities like Kalki Kekla and Sayani Gupta have put up a video asking people to sign the petition and speak about the difficulties they go through on social media platforms.
घटिया jokes बना
If you're tired of online harassment, misogyny and violent threats, please consider signing India Against Abuse.
while we were walking on the streets or in our office spaces, at work, at home, if this was happening to us in real life, we would be taking it far more seriously. We'd probably be taking legal action against it. It would probably be having a huge effect on our mental health. And yet, when it happens on the internet every single day, we just ignore it or brush it away. This is extremely worrying to me. As an actor, I use the internet as my office space. And I'm not the only one. Many entertainers, actors, comedians, journalists are using the internet as their office space. And I believe we all want this space to be a safe space and a professional space to work in.
Call for action. Stand for India Against Abuse. Share your stories. Speak up. Sign the petition.
ये दिखाते नहीं है पर हमें लगता है डर। आप जब हमारे बारे में, हमारे शरीर के बारे में, हमारा चेहरा यूज करके गंदी घटिया जोक्स बनाते हैं, मीम्स बनाते हैं, हमें डर लगता है। जब आप हमें गंदी घटिया फोटोज भेजते, हमें घिन आती है। जब हमें आप थ्रेट करते हैं रेप करने की, हमें डर लगता है और हम और नहीं डरेंगे।
Netizens also joined this social cause, sharing their ideas on what can be done and posted on the internet. In the past few days, Alia Bhatt's sister, Shaheen Bhatt, Sushant Singh Rajput's girlfriend, Riya Chakrabarti, and Dil Bechara actress Swastika Mukherjee have also complained about such threats and abusive comments from strangers on social media platforms.